how are you today? Yeah, I think all the students you are fine. I am so today. Okay, who can tell teacher what day is it today? Yeah, today is Tuesday. What month is it? It's August. What is the date? The date is 4th. What letters are on the top? T, H are on the top. What year is it? It's 2020. Okay, now please repeat after me. Tuesday, Tuesday, August, August, 4th, 4th, 2020, 2020. Alphabet, alphabet. Okay, every Tuesday, what will we learn? Yeah, we will learn about the alphabet book. Please prepare your book. Your material has color pencil or crayon, notebook, pencil, eraser, small writing board, and marker. Okay? If you prepare already, please keep it on your table and then please answer my question. Last week, what letter did you learn in the alphabet? Yes, you learn about capital 1, capital P, small p, capital Q, small q. Okay, now please look at teacher. I have some question to ask you. Okay, now look at here. Who can tell teacher what letter? Yeah, capital Q. Please say together, capital Q. How about this? What's letter? Small q. Please say together, small q. And here, what's letter? Yes, capital P. Capital P. How about this? What's letter? Yes, small letter P. Please say together, small p. Small p. P for what? P for panda. Okay. How about letter Q? Q for what? Q for quail. This is a quail. How about this? What is this? Yeah, ostrich. Ostrich. Ostrich begin with letter O. Okay, good. Now please look at the whiteboard. Okay. Repeat after teacher. Read you. Read you. Ostrich. Ostrich. O S T O I C A. Ostrich. Panda. Panda. P A N D A. Panda. Quail. Quail. Q U A I L. Quail. Okay, good. Who can tell teacher how many alphabet in English? Yeah, it means that how many letters in the alphabet of English? Yeah, 26 letters. Who can tell teacher from A to Z? Please count at home. Start. Okay. Yeah. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay. Now, please look at here. Today, we will learn about the Unit 22, letter O on page 87 and 88. Okay, now please repeat after me. Unit 22. Unit 22. Letter O. Letter O. Pages 87 and 88. Pages 87 and 88. Activity 1. Activity 1. Color, color, and read, read the letter O, letter O. Activity 1. Color and read the letter O. Okay, now please look at teacher. You see? Please listen to me first. Capital O, capital O, capital O. Okay, now please repeat after teacher together. Capital O, capital O, capital O. Small O, small O, small O. Everyone please repeat after teacher. Small O, small O, small O. Now you know capital O and small O. Okay. So I want all the students use the color pencil to color the capital O and small O. Color and read the letter O. What sound the letter O? O, rabbit, like that. Okay, now please say together. Capital O, capital O, small O, small O. Okay, the color pencil that I want you to use this time, I want all the students use orange. Please look at teacher. Orange, orange. Please use the orange to color the capital O and small O. So capital O, we start from the top to the bottom. And then you start from the top again. In here, you curve right, curve until the middle. And then you move your hand down to the right side like that. So you will get capital O. After you finish coloring the capital O, please continue to color the small O. Small O start from the middle to the bottom. And then you start from the middle here, connect with this line. Okay, so we will get the small letter O. Now please open your book on page 87 together. In here. Okay. 87. Unit 22. Letter O. Yeah, letter and read the letter O. So you use the color pencil to color capital O and then small O. After you color already, you will get the orange letter O. So please color all capital O and small O. After you color already, what will you do? Yeah, read capital O, small O, capital O, small O. Okay. Now do you want to see my letter that I color already? Yeah, wait. Waiting for me a minute. In here. Okay. Yes, good. Now you look at here. You see my letter, capital O and small O are orange. So please color all. Okay. Now I stick it on the whiteboard. After you finish on page 87, we will continue to page 88. Activity 2. I want all the students use what? Use the small writing board first, and then you will trace the capital O and small O with teacher. Okay, do you prepare already? Now I put here. Yeah. Okay, everyone. Now please continue. Activity 2. Please read with teacher. Activity 2. Activity 2. Trace and read the letter O. Letter O. Okay, now you see capital O, small o. Capital O, small o. Wow, my letter so very nice. Now please take out your small writing board. Okay, you use your left hand hold the small writing board and use your right hand hold the marker, and then you will practice how to trace capital O and small o with teacher. Okay, now we start. Okay, capital O start from the top to the bottom, and then from the top curve right, connect to the middle, and then from the middle to the bottom but at the right side. Okay, now please look at here, practice with teacher. Capital O start from the top to the bottom. Okay, and then from the top curve right, connect to the middle, and then move your hand down at the right side. You get capital O. More. Capital O start from the top to the bottom, and then from the top curve right, connect to the middle, and then move your hand at the right side down. Okay, in here you see you get capital O. More. Capital O start from the top to the bottom, and then from the top curve right, connect to the middle, and then move your hand down at the right side. Okay, you get capital O. One more. Capital O start from the top to the bottom. Okay, and then from the top curve right, connect to the middle. After that you move your hand down but at the right side. Okay, in here you get capital O. Okay, now please practice on the small writing board with teacher. Okay, in here capital O start from the top to the bottom. Okay, and then from the top curve right, connect to the middle, and after that move our hand down but at the right side. Okay, in here you see capital O. Okay, now please practice how to trace small o. Okay, small o start from the middle to the bottom. Okay, and then start from the middle again, connect to this side. You will get small o. Small o start from the middle to the bottom, and then from the middle at the right side, connect to this side. Yep, you will get small letter O. Two more. Small o start from where? From the middle to the bottom, and then from the middle connect to this side. You will get small letter O. One more. Small o start from the middle to the bottom, and then from the middle connect to this side. You will get small o. Please say small o. Okay, now practice on the small writing board with teacher. Okay, small o start from the middle to the bottom. Okay, and then start from the middle, connect with this side. You get small letter O. Okay, capital O, small o. Please practice on the small writing board, and then open your book on page what? Page 88. Okay, page 88 in here. You see page 88? Activity 2, trace and read the letter O, capital O, small o. Okay. Now please use what? Use the pencil. It's here. Capital O start from the top to the bottom, and then from the top curve right, connect to the middle, and then move your hand to the bottom at the right side. You get that? Capital O. Small o start from the middle to the bottom, and then you can curve like this. Okay? Please trace all the capital O and small o. After you trace already, please read capital O, small o. Okay? Everyone? Please trace together. Okay, now please read with teacher. Unit 22. Letter O. Pages 87 and 88. Activity 1. Color and read the letter O. Capital O, small o. Activity 2. Trace and read the letter O. Capital O, small o. Capital O, small o. Okay, now time's up. Do you want to have a break? Yes, good. See you next session. Bye bye.